So hello everyone, this is Shreya Swaj, founder and CEO of Rapid AI. Today I'm here to spill the sauce on how do I get high ticket clients, high ticket deals, how do I make so much money, how do I do it? Like that's the question. Everyone on Instagram, YouTube, they're just you guys are asking me how do you do it, Shreyas? And well, here's the answer. So this system has allowed me to earn, let's just say, over the lifetime of my agency up to $50,000 using all these different systems. And I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. I'm here to give you raw strategies. If you use it, if you don't use it, not my concern, because someone will use it and someone will make money. Any of the thousands of people that will watch this video, a few would say, yeah, sure, this is too hard, I don't want to do it. Well, if you don't do it, someone else will. So, and yeah, on top of that, it's almost 6 a.m. in the morning, so I'm still up making this video because I love you guys, number one, and number two, I don't go to bed until the work is done. So that's me. And yeah, let's just start. So first things first is $50,000 lead gen, because I've made this much over the lifetime of my agency. It's much more, but assuming that the IRS wait we have got sorry, the tax services don't come on my ass. I'm just giving you a rough number. So assuming that this is a $50,000 lead gen system, which again it's pretty raw. I'm not sugarcoating anything here. I'm showing you exact metrics, and just to give you a gist of how busy I am. Here's my calendar. So 8 a.m. Johnson, 3 p.m. Andy, 4 p.m. Mohammed, 7 p.m. TJ, 10 p.m. Ricardo, and then this list goes on. I got three more calendars. So my affiliates have their own calendars, and so all in all, I have almost 15 to 20 meetings today, because I mean obviously it's 6 in the morning. So yeah, I mean, how do I pull this off? 20 meetings a day, 20 sales calls for AI automation. Well, there are a few different ways of doing it. I'll show you the first one, which is the paid one, because if you have disposable income, you can use this method. Again, I'll show you that real quick. So yeah, so the paid method is cold emails, personalized cold emails, not even cold emails, because cold emails is, I mean, normal cold emails is just, it's there, but personalized cold emails is where the whole game change. Where it's like, okay, so everyone's doing cold emails. What you are doing different? You are doing personalized cold emails, which allow you to personalize every email, and that way you could just garner more attention in general. So that's the plan. So I'll show you how to build the N10 flow, because I know most of you would need to know how to do N10 flow. I'll teach you how to do the N10 flow. That's one thing. And here's the cost breakdown. So we are looking at almost thousand. Okay, we're looking at almost 300 dollars minimum to run the system, minimum. And again, I'm just this could be lesser if you optimize for price. It could go down way more, but I'm not optimizing for price, I'm optimizing for results, which is why you need at least a minimum capital of $300 to run the system. If you have that, then please go ahead and start running the system and booking meetings. Now, there's no guarantee. Again, this is one of the few systems where I've run the system and I've not made a single penny, and sometimes I've run the system and the ROI is 10x. So you get the point. So all in all, it's more like I wouldn't say it's a gamble. It's just that it's a bit tough to figure out, because cold emails is a long game. It's not like a simple one-off solution. But yeah, I'm currently spending $1,000 on my campaign. So I'm not expecting you to do the same. You can start with $300 and scale from there. So this is the current metric that we have. So I'll quickly go to my instantly dashboard to show you how it works. I'll tell you how to set up everything. I'll tell you how to navigate instantly, how to get emails, how to get leads, how to set up leads, how to build an automation automation that allows you to do personalized emails, all of that. So let me just quickly refresh this. So I'm on Instantly's $100 plan, which is Hypergrow. So Unibox, yeah, I had a lot not interested. So so we also got this reply assistant from Instantly, which is super cool. So it's super sick. Anyways, go to emails. As you could see, if you are I'll just remove a few of these domains because they've got sending errors. But yeah, so you need leads. So And so to do a cold email campaign, you need a few things. So assuming that we do cold emails, right? Cold emails. You need a few things to get started. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Leads. So leads is one thing. Leads. So to get leads, we'll use the software called Mudina AI. App.Mudina AI. This allows you to get some pretty high quality leads. Now this is an unsaturated market. This is like, this particular software is a bit unsaturated, which means that you can use this while it's unsaturated and earn as much as you want. Right off the bat, you can click on get more credits. So I'm currently on this monthly plan because I don't use it that much, to be very frank. I've got other ways, other sources of sourcing leads. They're a bit more expensive. So with the courtesy of my client, I have access to Cognism and ZoomInfo, one of the finest lead databases in the world. And I use them. But again, like, you guys might not have that. So I'm giving you my recommendation on how I would start with $300 budget, with a bare minimum budget, how I would start. So I mean, it's not even that. I think it's $150, $200 at max, but I'm just giving you a rough estimate. So it's $89. So you would need to buy the $89 plan. I'm on the $19 plan because I'm not using this. I'm just using this for this video. I'm not using this on my day-to-day basis. I used to use this and it gave me decent results. It gave me 5x to 10x ROI, so it's pretty good. But right now I'm not using this. I'm using a different method, which I'll show you, but you guys might not able to you guys might not be able to replicate that because it needs certain softwares. So we have this basic 1,000 email credits. Okay, so anyone who has seen my offer creation videos knows that, okay, you need to create an offer, right? So what I'll do right now is I have an offer in mind. I'm planning to sell AI receptionist to med spas and maybe earn a lot of money from that. So med spas in the US with more than, I don't know, average revenue for med spa. What's the average revenue for a med spa? I'm just curious. Okay, 1 million. Okay. You know what? Describe your ideal customer profile. Decision makers, C-suite executives and owners. Decision makers, C-suite executive decision makers with more than $1 million in revenue annually. I think I can just push it down to like 500,000, but whatever. It's the yeah. So $500,000. Show leads. So this is gonna show me a bunch of leads. I can choose to export them. We'll just quickly go through that as well. So it's finding leads for me right now. Until then, I could go to Instantly real quick. I got to delete all of these non-functional emails because yeah. Perfect. So I'll delete all of them. So click on delete selected accounts. Perfect. Yeah. What I'll do now is go to Mudina. As you could see, co-founder, CEO, executive officer, Hall, plastic surgeons, and med spa. So this is super cool. Okay, but again, I mean, we don't have much. We only got this many. So medical spa. Okay. Plastic surgeons. Get my leads. Let's see how this works, man. I mean, I don't know that much. Yeah, we can have. Okay, cool. Headcount. I'm just targeting decently big United States. Anyways, this looks good to me. I can just, keep spas and medical spas. Let's see what we get. Cool. What I could do now is export. And let me just see. I want to export. Yeah, let's go up. Select 1,000. because I want to export the 1,000. Select. Perfect. Click on export. Click on add as a CSV. Include all fields. Export leads only with work email. Click on download. So it's going to generate. It's going to take 5 minutes probably. Let's see. Until then, let's go to instantly. So you need to add emails here. Now the best place I'd suggest to get emails from is Hostinger. It's not too cheap, it's not too expensive, and it's pretty decently priced. You can have that, or if you have a bit more budget, so you can go for G Suite. G Suite is the best. G Suite or Outlook or whatever works for you. But I'm gonna use Hostinger for this. I got a lot of accounts, being honest, and I need to check which one has what. But yeah, let's see. The point is that you can buy Hostinger emails for a year. I usually prefer to buy it for a year because it's much more cost effective than buying it for a month. If I go into emails, right? So emails, yeah. So you can buy this plan for let's just say, I don't know, let's just keep 20 emails. It's gonna be almost 11,000 rupees. Okay, I'll just reduce it to 18 or 17 probably. So it's almost 9,000 rupees. You can just buy this for a year, and you can just send cold emails throughout your life cycle, throughout as long as you want to sell, as long as you want to send. That's one thing. So I do already have email, so I don't have to buy this. Once you buy this, there's also a process in which you can bulk upload emails. So if I go in here, so emails, right? So bulk edit settings, not exactly this. Yeah, add new. There's an option called IMAP SMTP provider. Click on bulk import. Click on C sample CSV. So I'll tell you how this works. The IMAP and SMTP settings for Hostinger is smtp.hostinger.com and imap.hostinger.com, which means that the password is gonna be the password you set for the email. So email password is Shreyas@2345. So you're gonna grab that password, you're gonna put that and say, oh, okay, you need to do that using GPT. I don't have to explain to you all of that, but that's one way of doing it. If you're doing it using Google, then it's gonna be a much more complex process. I don't usually do Google, so don't ask me about that. I usually use Hostinger emails, import them into instantly, warm them up, and start shooting emails. So that's one thing. Now, instantly is a good option, but I also use ManyReach. None of them are sponsoring this video. I'm just being honest. This is my honest opinion / viewpoint on how to do cold emails. And yeah, I also do ManyReach. So under ManyReach, if I go under senders, I don't have many emails, being honest. A daily limit 500. Okay, this is gonna cook my email, but the point, yeah. So this is what I've got in here. Okay, so I also use ManyReach. ManyReach is a much more cost-effective solution, but it has its own downsides. I have personally felt that the deliverability of instantly is far superior than that of ManyReach. So if anybody has a question, hey, there's ManyReach versus instantly. So if you are tight on budget, go for ManyReach because it's good. It allows you unlimited stuff. But if you want good results, and if you are not tight on budget, which I know wouldn't be the case for many of you, you guys must be tight on budget, go into pricing. Start now free, limited lifetime deal. Okay, I usually prefer this one. So yeah, Zapier / Pabbly, webhook APIs, blah blah blah. No one needs calculate credits. People say what? Okay, you just buy this. Okay, grab it here. I've already bought this one, so I don't think I can buy it, but you can buy this. And there's this extension called Couport. Just a second. Yeah, there's this extension called Couport, which allows you to add coupons to the particular thing you're purchasing. So use Couport, and it's gonna give you a discount of, like, I don't know, it's gonna cost you $89. So that's a saving right there. And yeah, you're just saving a lot of money and just making a lot of money. So assuming that it won't even cost you $200. It's gonna cost you it won't even cost you $300. It's gonna come down to $250 or $200. I'm just giving you a rough estimate. That's one way of doing it, and that's how you do it. So again, if you're not started earning, I wouldn't suggest. In the end, it's your call, but I won't suggest you to risk your income into this, because I don't know. I mean, you can risk it because I did it myself and it was a good investment, but I won't prefer risking because, I don't want you asking your parents for money and then doing this shit, because you need to know how this works. and which is I'm gonna tell you all of that, but you need to know how this works. As simple as that. So I'm currently going into Mudina, download the CSV. Okay, I think it's downloading right here. So I just blew up $20 on a freaking spreadsheet. Let's see how it is though. It's opening right now. So yeah, we got leads, we got sending profile, we got sending software. So we need a sending software, and we need emails. So emails. Yeah. So once we have all three of these, it's gonna be pretty cool. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. This is what we're gonna need. And leads, we use Mudina. Sending, we use ManyReach instantly, and emails, we use Hostinger. So I hope that's clear. Going back in here. Oh shit, I like it. I like it. LinkedIn. So we can literally scrape LinkedIn. You guys don't know how powerful this is. We can scrape LinkedIn. Pure hydration spa. Okay. Work email, phone number. Shit, we even got phone numbers. Let's go. Let's freaking go. So I can like have one of my VAs, one of my friends cold call this, but it's super cool. It's just insane. I love it. Okay. Languages, English. Profile summary. Oh shit, yeah. We also got profile summary. That's crazy. So some of you might not relate with my enthusiasm here, because you guys have never done this, but this is some pure gold. I can enrich this, and yeah, let's just do it. So job title, co-founder, total funding amount, company description. Super cool. So yeah, all in all, this is a pretty good one, and I'm honestly surprised to see that we also have phone numbers, which is not pretty common. Like, we can't find phone numbers in general. So let's see. But yeah, so the leads are hyper high quality, which I love. Now next thing we have to do is to generate emails. I'll do complete emails, or we can also generate icebreakers if required, but I prefer to generate emails because I don't know, let's just do icebreakers, because emails would need a lot more in-depth knowledge. So let's go to N10, because that's where it all starts. That's where it all started. Yeah, so we are going to go in N10. I'll just drop some of these tabs, because yeah, shit, never mind. Yeah, so we're into N10 right now, and for any of you who thinks it's boring, you are free to click off, because there's gonna be someone that's gonna stay around, that's gonna learn everything, and yeah, let's do it. So right off the bat, as you can see, we are in the N10 flow. We are in the N10, and now what we have to do is click on Add Step. And we can have it manual triggers, because obviously we're trying to make it simple. Then I'll actually use Rapid API to, so there are a few APIs that we could use for scraping. We got Outscraper, we got Rapid API. Right now, I'll try to search for Outscraper, because I think I have credits for that. CRAPER, it's Outscraper. So look into this. I'll log in real quick. So we can use Outscraper's API to scrape the person's LinkedIn, and then use that to personalize the icebreaker. I think it's gonna be super cool, being honest. Okay. Okay, $0. Okay, that's bad. So in Outscraper, you can just drop these guys a message, and they'll give you $10 worth of free API credits, which is super cool. So by brand, okay, you know what? Let's do AP5, because AP5 is the trusty, reliable, everyday scraping software. So go to AP5, go to Get Started. So we're in the console, as you could see. Now I'll close this off real quick. I'll search for LinkedIn scraper. Oh shit, you know what? Go to AP5 store. Search for LinkedIn. I'm trying to look at all the columns that this have. So yeah, we got phone number, we got email, we got website. We got this guy. So LinkedIn is here. What else can we scrape? I mean, I can scrape the website, that's not a question, but sales, driving manager, intellectual president. As the indirect vice president at Apoca, I specialize in driving a revenue, blah, blah, blah. Pure hydration spa. Okay. So we only got LinkedIn. So let's just go for LinkedIn post. LinkedIn profile scraper with email. A LinkedIn job scraper. LinkedIn profile scraper. Let's see this one. Oh yeah, shit. This is expensive. Bulk scraper. Okay. It's $29 plus usage. Okay, $10 for 1,000 results. Okay, that's expensive. Let's just check Phantom Buster real quick. What I could do is I can drop my CSV in this and let Phantom Buster cook. So copy this, paste it off. Shreyas 322. So we sign up into Phantom Buster and see if we can get a LinkedIn profile scraper. I think we can get it. That's not an issue. HR blah blah blah. Just fill in anything. Just to be quick here. Just fill in anything that doesn't really matter. Click on next. LinkedIn leads. Okay, that's good. But you know what? Go to dashboard real quick. Browse Phantoms. LinkedIn. Okay, we got this. Extract LinkedIn profiles, get your contact LinkedIn profile URL, automated outreach on LinkedIn, tracking your contacts, job changes, refresh your contacts, LinkedIn, search, export. Profile, yeah, perfect, I want to use this. LinkedIn message sender, no, let's use this. I'll quickly select my, my list. A URL, okay. Click on my list so I can create a list. Generative. Oh shit. Okay, gotcha. Let's go to Google Sheets real quick. Google Sheets real quick. Oh yeah, perfect. So we're going in Google Sheets. We click on open. Again, this might take a bit of time because it's once it's set up, it's easily, your 1 hour 2 hours of time would be worth it once it's set up. So that's all you have to do. Just stick around, learn how to set this up, start running, start shooting, start earning cash. That's about it. I swear to God, I might. Oh wow, that's cool, pretty cool. So I might get results till tomorrow. I know how good this thing is. Like today's Tuesday. Oh sorry, today's Wednesday. So I'll get results from tomorrow if I just run it right now. Again, there's also a myth that you have to warm up your mailboxes for 14 days. No, you don't have to do any of that. That's just a bunch of, I don't know, useless jargon that these gurus promote. But no, you don't have to do that. I don't do it personally, so I'm not going to recommend it, obviously. But yeah, this will save. Wait. Oh, I need to select LinkedIn accounts. Okay, that's good. Name columns of containing profiles. Yeah, I think it's going to be LinkedIn. Save. Connect. Yeah, perfect. Save. I'll use my each phantom plan includes monthly email discovery credits. One credit comes point to if you have verified. Select your email discovery service. I don't want to use any because it's optional. Profiles update per launch. Save. Launch manually. Launch. Let's see how this runs. So it's starting to run. It's going to scrape information from all these LinkedIn profiles and we'll have it in no time. Until then, let's start building out our flow. So once clicked here, we'll have, you know what, we'll need to have the sheets. So sheets, Google Sheet right here. We click on get rows in a sheet. I'll add an account, so create new credentials. Okay, I kind of hate this. Okay, so authorization code, let's go in here. Let's go to cloud computing.google console. So we're gonna go in credentials. We have web client 5. So I've explained Google Cloud a lot, so I'm not gonna explain it again because I've just explained it like a lot of times, like too many times. It's just so simple. Go in there. Wait, do I have? Sure, Sony is there. So you need to add your account as a test user. If you don't add your account as a test user, it's not gonna work out. So add your account as test user. Go to clients. Go to web client 5. I'll quickly delete one of these because disable. Okay. Delete. Okay, why have they put such a strong, like, I know what I'm doing obviously, so perfect. Add secret, and we're gonna download the JSON because we need the JSON. We'll open up the JSON real quick. Go back in here. Where's the JSON? Okay, it's open in Visual Studio. So we'll look at this real quick. We'll need to separate everything in here. So this, 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 this. Okay, why the hell is it's all commented? Oh shit, never mind. Oh wait, did I just? Oh yeah, my bad. Let me just remove this commenting. Perfect. Client ID is this. Let me just quickly grab it. So this is for better visibility. I mean, there's not a particular reason to open this in VS Code. I just did it because it's more visible. So authorization URL. I think it's client ID. Oh shit, my bad. It's client ID. What's client secret? So client secret is this. Paste it here. Access to, okay, the type authentication is body type. Access token URI is this. Authorization redirect URI is okay. Token URI, auth URI. Okay, this is the project. Okay, auth URI and token URI. I'm a bit confused. Okay, this is authorization URI. Okay, perfect. Sign in with Google. Go to Shreyas Raj Sony because this is the account which has the spreadsheet. Let's check how the Phantom Buster is doing. Shit, it's doing pretty well. 96 done. Cool. I like it. So now this could have been automated as well. But why I didn't automate it? Because sometimes it's better to do bulk operations and then just, I mean, there's no need to automate every freaking thing, right? I mean, I know it's ironic coming from me, but I don't automate every single thing. Some things are better left off with human interaction. So we just choose this spreadsheet. We just choose this sheet. We'll have an AI agent now. I'm thinking of using Claude. I don't know why, but I think Claude would do better. So Claude. Oh, we don't have credentials. Shit. Oh, you know what? I'm not gonna expose any of that stuff. So I'd rather use ChatGPT. So how do you get an OpenAI credential? You need to top up your OpenAI developer account with API credits, like $5, $10. Get the API key, put it into N10, and you'll have this. Just to be clear, because some of these people would ask me in the comments, how do you do this, do that? So here's a complete explanation of everything. Once you're in here, I'll select GPT 4.1 because it's the best as of now. Gotcha. And tools, do I need to add a tool? Let me think. uh, I can add Google search or something, but no, I don't think I'm gonna need to add any of that. I mean, it's gonna be super simple. This flow is gonna be super simple, nothing complex. Just follow what I'm doing, and you will have a great result. And we'll have sheets again, but this time the spreadsheet would. I think I should wait for this to complete because I'm gonna kind of use this. But okay, it's gonna be append or update a row in a spreadsheet. Okay, and we are gonna take the same exact same exact spreadsheet, same exact sheet, and what we'll do is towards the we'll actually have another column in this. So going back, wait, where was it? Yeah, it's here, right? I'll have another column which says personalization or icebreaker. So go towards the end. I'll type personalization. Perfect. Go back in here, click on refresh. It's gonna pop up in here. Perfect. So what we'll do now is let me think. Should I just kind of do the loop function? Probably. So what I can actually do is I can have a loop function. So loop batch size is gonna be 1, loop, and do it like this. So this would be a much more effective way. Instead of doing 1,000 at once, it's gonna loop and do one at a time. So it's gonna be super cool. But yeah, what I'll do now, let's prompt out our agent to make sure that we're on the same page. So system prompts, you are an, no, I'm just gonna make it a bit plus. Wait, I'll just, yeah, perfect. You are an expert AI expert email icebreaker copy writer. Your job is to look up the person and its company in the input, and then I can also use perplexity, but should I use it? I can use perplexity and then have it all personalized. But okay, assuming we'll be using the API's Google search capabilities, we won't be going for perplexity. But yeah, job is to look up company person and his company and input, and then craft a short 20 to 35 word icebreaker for a cold email campaign, and it should end with figure I'll reach out. Okay, only output the personalization and nothing else. Done. Okay, so user message, I'll say add information that makes the icebreaker look well researched and leaves an impression on the person that this guy took time out of his life to look at me and my life and my progress. This is the agenda of the whole thing, right? What we'll do now is okay, it's kind of done. I'll say ABC because I mean save. I can click on test workflow. Let's see how this is gonna run. What the hell? Okay, 1,000. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna stop it right here because obviously. So okay. First name Spencer. Last name Vandalen industry, health fitness company, pure hydration spa, LinkedIn of the person, LinkedIn position of the person. Wait, Jason. Company. Wait, did I add? Okay, company. Okay. Position of the person is vice president of indirect sales. Okay, that's weird. Profile summary as an indirect president at Apco Holdings. Cool. Job, current title, company description. I'll also say your job is also to do do an online and it's an online search about the given inputs and get valuable data. So now this is not the best way to do it. I'm waiting for this to complete. We already got 304 leads with us, so I can stop it right there, but I don't want to waste resources. And finally, the output is gonna go into this. And for mapping, because I need to select the column to match on, I'm gonna go with work email because I mean that's gonna stay the same. It's not gonna change. So work email using to match on. Save. Let's test it once more to see how this outputs. This way we can do bulk personalization and it's super cool. It's kind of running. Okay, so I don't know why, but I can't see the whole thing running. Which is weird. I'll refresh this real quick. What the hell? Oh shit, no. Stop execution. I don't want it to be. Okay, debug in editor. Let's see what we got. Spencer, I'm impressed by potential spam metal. Serene. Jacksonville, figure I'd reach out. Okay. Okay. Has Rick actually done effective management? President. Okay, Rick as an indirect. Okay. You know what? I'm just waiting for this to complete because this is just too generic. I feel it's too generic. Example, I'll just give it a short prompting. So example, hey Aman, lead input, Aman Gupta from Boat Lifestyle. So I'll look that guy up. Gupta life story. Some stuff like that. I just want to see some nitty gritties which I can pick out. One of the India's youngest chartered accountants. This is a good one to put in the email. I'll be like, hey Aman, saw you on Shark Tank, and honestly, the only reason why I watched the show was because of you. I also saw that you became one of the India's youngest chartered accountants, which is no easy feat. I am a commerce student, by the way. we have we me and my company provide AI automation services to businesses, and I think your business is leaking money at a lot of places. So I figured I'll reach out. Let's see if this gives a different output. I'm just curious. Wait, what? I kind of feel that, yeah, okay, succeeded. Let's see how it is. Copy to editor, unpin. Let's see what we got. Wait, did I actually save this? Example should get experts. It should get reference from Google, from online searching the person. Reference from desktop. I want to stop this so bad and use this directly, but whatever. Let's see. Executions. It's gonna run for a while. Cool. Okay. Okay, I'll stop this right here. Hey Mark, really inspired by your journey. Wait, is Mark from South Africa? What the hell? Mark Hadfield. Wait, no, he's an English actor, not this guy. Mark Hadfield. What the hell? Company Prismon. Presimon. Okay. 5 companies from inception. Cool, man. I mean, this is some pretty cool insight. So, hey, Mark, really inspired to leading 5 startups and delivering 3 exits plus nurses and bring care to whom is going to reach out. Okay, cool shit. I think this is doable, assuming that this is going to take a longer time. Let's just roll with what we have. What we have here. So, what I'll do is I'll quickly go to sheets. Yeah, I think I'll let it like do a few more, and let's just sit back and see. Until then I can just go to instantly. I can create a campaign for med spas and let's see how that goes. So, oh yeah, I think this is, yeah. Go to campaigns. So under campaigns, I can click on add new. It's gonna be med spas. Continue. Sequences. So first sequence would be your AI, your AI agent is ready for deployment. You know what? I'll just go into leads. How many are done? So 13 are done. Okay. I'll just type out the whole thing. Sequences, your AI agent is ready for deployment. I'll say company name. This is like the best subject line I've found myself. So we'll do that. Go in here. We'll have, wait, does the personalization contain hi? It should contain hey, hey XYZ. Hey, hi Sally. Okay, it does contain hi, so I don't have to add that. I'll say personalization. Wait, what the hell? Yeah. We at rap. I was just going through businesses in your niche and saw that a lot of med spas have already a lot of med spas have a lot of whatever the wait, what's the business, like do we have the business? Yes, you know what, let's quickly go check the spreadsheet. So we got yeah, company name, industry, company. Okay, perfect. So what I'll have is go to instantly again. A lot of companies, a lot of companies in niche. I'm just using this currently because once I have the spreadsheet, it's gonna be a bit different. Right now I'm just doing it off the whim. Companies in niche have implemented AI front desk receptionists that are booking meetings 24/7 and is reducing lost revenue and leads by 47%. Okay. I would like to invite I really like your company and we built out an AI voice front desk agent tailored to your company. I really liked your mission. Going through businesses in your niche. Again, I would like to invite you for a 15-minute meeting to see what we have done for you. Best case, we work together. Worst case, you learn, you know, you understand, you know how AI can help your business and have a chat with our AI voice agent. Now this is the worst I can write. I'm just doing it quickly. Thanks, Shreyas Raj, RapidXAI, WhatsApp plus 919307512816. Perfecto. Grab this, go to Claude, because Claude is great. Okay, it's loading, so let's see. Paste it here. Improve, humanize, and make it more direct. Make it seem that I made make it seem that I made it for them because I like their company. It should feel human, direct, and to the point, not wasting words or or jumping around the bush. Let's see how this one goes again. I could have done better, but it's decent. Waiting for the Phantom was to complete 673 leads, and yeah, it looks good, man. I mean, you are getting 20 meetings a day with this thing. No, not 20, but at least 10, 15 meetings a day. So I think it's a worthy investment to look into, and it's a worthy outreach channel. Because, if you don't have a personal brand, if you don't have a presence, if you're starting out, again, you need to have a personal brand, you need to have things to show. I have things to show to my clients. That's why they close. I come on a meeting, they're like, okay, we have built XYZ and this is this. We can build this for you, this is how much it will cost. Boom, bam, beam, they've paid me. So, not the best way to explain, but yeah, this is the whole point. I came across company name as generally impressed by mission. The approach to specific retailer with the company really stood out for me. I ended up building a give a few more copies. I want witty ones, direct ones, humorous ones, punchy, punchy ones, etc. I can then add this as into the A/B testing split of my website. So go in here, go to instantly, paste it here. So wait, yeah, I just removed this. Wait, no, what the hell? Paste it here. I ended up building best Shreyas Raj Rapid XAI plus 91 93075 12816. Okay, I would love to preview this, but I think it's still working, so I'll check. Okay. We are still working on this. Anyways, Gibbons. So what? Okay. Also, how to upload emails, bulk upload emails into instantly. Just download the sample spreadsheet. Go to Claude or go to ChatGPT. Go to Claude. Don't go to ChatGPT. You can choose any of those. Doesn't really matter. Go to that platform. Tell it that, hey, you know what? I want all of these emails to be formatted in this format with password, with IMAP. Just tell it the IMAP. IMAP is hostinger.com and SMTP is smtp.hostinger.com. Tell it that your password is XYZ. Tell it that your email is XYZ. You need first name and last name, and that's about it. That should be enough. And once you have the spreadsheet, so Claude will output your spreadsheet. Grab the spreadsheet, put it into instantly, and boom, it's done. So yeah, pretty simple. Anyways, let's just go to Phantom Buster. It's almost done. I think I wouldn't like to stop it right now, but this is how it's gonna be. Preview. So I ended up booking built specifically for a company. Witty, hey, your new reception doesn't need coffee breaks. Love what you're doing at company, so we built so much that I built while procrastinating on. Okay, super cool. I like this. I built in a company. Stumbled across companies and thought these people are doing cool stuff, and then I got distracted and built you an AI receptionist. Classic me. It's like having super necessary couple never needs bathroom breaks and books, meetings 3 a.m. Companies in the space are seeing for 25. See, punchy aggressive. Our competition is eating your lunch with AI. Casual friendly being following company really take what you're building will get inspired. Ended up building an AI wasn't specifically. Similar companies are capturing problem focus. These 2 a.m.s missed calls. Shit, it's cool. So what I'll do now is assuming that I don't know how much of the part is personalized. I think a lot of part is personalized. So we are almost at 161. So what I'll do is I'll grab the whole thing. I'll create a new spreadsheet and we'll use that. I'll go to A0. No, not this. Shit. Okay. A0. Do we have 0? Oh shit, my bad. I think it's gonna be A1. Control C. Go home. I think I'm gonna need to have a spread. Go in here. Click on MedSpas. Paste it here. Click on download. I think the email copies are super cool, being honest. So rewrite all of this, but also offer. No, never mind. I think we should only have a single offer. I also want mystery focused 1-2-liner emails that stick out. Ensure that all of them have a personalization variable. So yeah, we go back here. Did I click on download? I think I downloaded this real quick. So I'll download this again just to be sure. So I use that spreadsheet, but you guys can use the Phantom Buster enriched spreadsheet because it's gonna have much more deeper info into every person than the spreadsheet that we just used, for obvious reasons. Because AI is not as good as is that good at getting outputs or that good at doing Google search. The AI is not meant for scraping. That's the bottom line. I mean, you can kind of use it for scraping, but it's not meant for scraping. So proper scrape data would be much more beneficial than any of the stuff that we did just now. Anyways, go back in here, go to leads, click on add lead, click on upload CSV, click here, click on MedSpas, click on open. So first name, last name, LinkedIn, company name, industry, custom variable, company LinkedIn, no need, United States, no need, okay. Phone number, location, good, job title, perfect, expertise, no need, okay. Profile summary, no need. Okay, San Francisco. Combined description, don't need that. We need this. Personalization. Oh, perfect. Upload. So 159 contacts were uploaded to my Instantly account. Now, if I preview this, hi Carol, congrats on your new role as a product owner at Innotopia. Small process improvement, SQL driven automation stands out. Love how you streamlined resort tech. I figured I ended up building that typically for a company it books meeting. Ended up being vice agent specifically for, instead of your company, we'll just wait. What are the variables? Company name. Grab this for specifically for Innotopia. It books. I think the personalization is too long. We need to shorten that up. So yeah. Your AI agent ready for deployment. I'll just make it small. So your AI agent. I don't know. I think this is gonna work better. Perfect. Let's see what else we have got here. So okay. I should try this. Okay, yeah, go back to instantly. So this also looks like a good variation. What's the variables? Company name. Okay, so it's this is the variable. This is the correct format of the variable. So we'll grab this, replace it here. Let's create a preview. Let's replace your subject line. I don't know if this will work or not, but I'm just saying. Secret message for wait, do we have first name? Yeah. Start kickoff. Okay, this looks good. Let's just have a third one. So benefit focused. Those two MS calls are costing you. Casual friendly, punchy, aggressive. Okay, this looks good. I'll have personalization. So is personalization, yeah. Company. So I'll just add the company name. So company name is this. Grab the company name. Call sick works only for companies like you. If you don't like it, the this a nerdy gift from my side. Keep up the great work. Okay, this looks good. Shreyas, Rapid AI, blah blah. Preview. Hi Carol, congrats on the new role as product owner at Inotopia. Your passion for process improvement and love what you're doing at Inotopia. This will sound weird, but okay, this looks good. Okay, cool. This looks good. Save. Go to option. Oh wait, save, save options. I'll select all the email accounts that we have, and then I'll start sending emails to all of them. But yeah, this is how you kind of set up the whole thing. Send as text only. Send. Okay. Show advanced. Choose winning metric. Enable provider matching. Enable. Okay. Send. Insert allows key emails. Launch. Publish. Let's see how this does. But yeah. Let's see. Sequences. You know what? I just like to send emails 24/7. I don't give a damn about anything. So save. Perfect. I think I should add more leads. Assuming that this is all done. It's taking a lot of time, being honest. And this looks like it's done. So I'll also show you a quick, easy hack to use Phantom Burst for completely free without paying a cent. Okay. Go to inspect. Go to console. Go to networks. Okay. Click on refresh. And search result in the search bar. And what you'll see is, yeah, this result CSV. It's for completely free. You're not even paying a cent to Phantom Buster, and you have it. So pretty cool, yeah, pretty neat. Yeah, and it's gonna have the scraping of the whole, like of the whole LinkedIn profile, which is gonna be super cool. I think I'm kind of gonna stop this one because stop this automation, because I know I've got a better option here. So let me check numbers. Oh yeah, it's opening result.csv. So the CSV would have automotive, company name, first name, last name, company URL, company holding, LinkedIn descriptions, LinkedIn follower count, LinkedIn headline. Okay, good. LinkedIn hiring. Okay, LinkedIn this, LinkedIn job description. Okay. I mean, I think this is pretty similar to what we have done, so I'm not that happy about this. Okay, okay, Boli's school. So we also know what school if he's from. LinkedIn school company. Okay, LinkedIn school. Okay, university name. That's good. Skills. Okay, good. Location. Previous company. Mutual connections. Okay, I don't need that. Connection URL. Okay. Profile URL. Not needed. Company description. Okay, not needed. LinkedIn company tagline. Okay. Vehicle coverage. Okay, job description. Okay, I'm not that impressed with the output, so whatever it is. But yeah, but we are still scraping. That's weird. No, we stopped. Perfect. The point is that we scrape so much leads. This is how you kind of set up the whole campaign. I can do it for all the 1,000 leads, and we'll have 1,000 personalizations for all of these leads. But that's about it. And if I go to home, it's gonna start sending emails to all of this. Currently, none of them is sent. Oh wait, okay, a few are being sent. That's perfect. That's fast. Okay, good. So assuming that this gets done, this is one of the most high ROI systems that you'll ever build, which is using NA10. So this would be the flow. If I go to editor, I can also add perplexity. I don't know if perplexity will. Oh wait, save, refresh. I can also add perplexity to this, and that will help us get more enriched data. So perplexity, can I add two? No, I can't add two models. Shit. Okay. Perplexity. We don't have perplexity. Awesome. So apart from that, we also have MCP. So we can also add MCP clients. Authentication. Okay. Tools to include. So we can also add MCPs, but that's for some time else. That's for sometimes later. Save. This is how you do unlimited. Like this is how you get leads, and this is how you make money using using cold emails. You can do it for instantly. You can do it using many reach. Doesn't really matter. Just get it done. Just start earning. Just start printing. As simple as that. So I'm just gonna turn it on again. And what I'll do now is go back to Canva. This was the whole cold email jargon that I just told you. And now there's also the email finder method. So that method is for me. I'll use Cognism. I'll scrape Cognism. Once scraping Cognism, I'll get the emails using an email finder, which is a super expensive tool. But you don't have to do any of that. You just use Mudina which is almost $100. You use miscellaneous. So miscellaneous is usually emails and stuff, and use instantly, and you'll have it all done. So that's one of the ways of getting leads. Now there are two more ways. Number one is personal brand. You're seeing me right now. You're seeing Shreya Raj, Foundation CEO, Rapid XCI. It took me almost a year and a half to build out this personal brand, but it is worth it. Like I get so many inbound leads, so many people that want my service and stuff. So it's pretty insane. So personal brand will take time. I'll just show you a few personal brands just so that you get the gist of it. So I'll go to YouTube. Again, we all need to have a look at our competitions and stuff. So we got Nate Herc, we got all these big creators, we got Brendan Jarrett, all these people. So that's what they do, right? They're just there, and they just showcase what they can do. So you need to showcase that you're capable of doing something before they actually pay you. It's a pretty good analogy to be with. So if I go on YouTube, not even YouTube, I'll go to Instagram. So even though you don't know shit, you can make videos and get clients. As simple as that. So let me just go in here on YouTube. I actually have one of my friend Kaushik. Wait, I think it's AI automations. AI automation. I don't know if I'll find him. I'm just perfect. Oh, I found him. Cool. So he's got his testimonials. He's got his videos. And I don't know if he's getting clients or not, but I think I'm pretty sure he's getting clients. So 186 subscribers, 14 videos, and he's getting clients. I'll talk to him about this. But yeah. Perfect. I like the banner. So great. Kudos to that, Kaushik. Then we also have Fahad. What is my guy doing? I'm just curious. Yeah. So let's see what Fahad is doing.
Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial.
614 subscribers. He's getting a lot of clients. A great friend of mine. So yeah. Agency client as a med student school. Okay. So again, it's the whole story thing. Self-hosted and 10. Easiest day ever. Okay. Perfect. So again, I need to talk to him regarding his videos, but he also has a personal brand. He's also closing deals, and it's super cool. So 4.5 client acquisition. So all these sales calls and stuff. So you have all of that. But all in all, you need to have a personal brand. That's my bottom line. Like you can post anything. You can just post random stuff, or you can post value driven content like me, and you'll get clients. That's the easiest. It's a long-term investment. So it's a compounding game. You start with 0, you go to 1, you go to 10, you go to 100, you go to 1,000, you go to 10,000, and you just keep going. So that's the compounding game of lead gen. That's one thing. And then we have lead magnets. So if I go to Facebook real quick, because my soldiers, my friends, my colleagues, they're doing pretty cool on Facebook. If I check on Ronit. So he's my friend, and he does Facebook lead magnets. So I had to check what he's doing. I think it's in here. So Facebook professional dashboard, go in here. Yeah. So wait, where's Ronit? I think I should find him, but the point is that Ronit is posting on these Facebook groups. So go onto these Facebook groups, start posting, you'll get banned. There's a lot of stuff that comes, there's a lot of complexities. I wouldn't be telling you that obviously, because I don't want to increase my competition at this point, because it's getting really competitive out here. But the point is that you can post stuff on Facebook groups, you can post stuff on X. So I've also got one of my friends on X, his name is Shubhag. He's posting lead magnets and giveaways on X, and he's just killing it. It's his own account. So I have access to his account, by the way. 1878 followers. Dental voice clinic, dental voice agent. Every week I see founders. The most viral post was about this one. So 260 comments. 260 comments. We got 1K comments. This is like 1,000 comments. Okay. We got 755 comments. We got 26 comments. Okay, that's bad. We got 755 comments again. We got 1K comments again. So this is the whole game. You need to post lead magnets and stuff. Now there's a lot of complexity in this. You have to know the timings. You have to know how to do it and stuff, which you will learn by doing. So start doing all of this. I hope this was a valuable one. We learned how to send personalized emails. One thing, using with personalizations. That's one thing. And yeah, we just learned a lot of stuff today. So do subscribe if you want. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. I know it's a long one. I'll be cutting off a lot of stuff because again, there was a lot of time. There's a lot of stuff which shouldn't have taken so long, but it took so long. So whatever it is, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Cheers and appreciate it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. If you want any of these automations for yourself, if you wanna get 20 meetings a day, contact me. I'll help you build out these automations. I'll build it out for the fee, obviously. But yeah, that's the whole that's the whole point. Anyone who's asking me how do you get leads, Raj, LinkedIn, lead magnets, cold emails, personal brand, boom. You'll have money, you'll have leads, you'll have clients coming in left, right, center. There are so many clients I'm refusing work at this point. You have to understand. I'm at a point where I have to refuse work because there's so many people that want to pay me, but I can't deliver to them. It won't make sense, right? So that's about it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, cheers, and Jai Hind.